Hey, I'm Russ Layton. Chances are you probably already know a real estate agent or two in town, but if you don't know me, here's a few things you should know. Number one, I'm a real guy. I may not be the richest, slickest guy in town, but I am honest. Number two, I like smiling and being positive. Life's too short to be grumpy all the time. And number three, I'm obsessed with my dog Frank. Last year, he voted me #1 realtor in Sacramento. Thanks, Frank. So if you're thinking of buying or selling a home in the greater Sacramento area, give me a call for a no-pressure meetup to see if we're a good fit.